Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your file and showing the underlying formulas immediately. Open a saved copy, then toggle Formula View so you see expressions, not results. This helps you spot obvious typos. Once done, enable the Formula Auditing ribbon and run the error checking tool so Excel highlights problematic cells. Make sure to note any #ref, hash value, or hash name outputs because they tell you where to focus next. You will act on those locations first. You now debug methodically. Place the cursor in a failing cell and use Evaluate Formula to walk through each operation so you see the intermediate values. Next, trace precedence and dependence to map where inputs come from and where outputs go. This reveals broken links or offset errors. Also inspect ranges and named ranges for accidental shifts and check data types. Numbers stored as text cause silent errors. Keep notes on each fault so you can prioritize fixes. You finish by applying corrective edits. Replace wrong cell references, restore deleted ranges, fix typos, and add absolute dollar references where ranges must not shift. Once adjusted, force recalculation and reevaluate the same formulas to confirm correct results. If a formula still fails, check Excel's calculation mode, switch automatic if it's manual, and consider wrapping with IFERROR while you audit deeper. A key troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, inspect for hidden sheets, links to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.